Hello. Oi. It is Friday, May 25th, 7 o'clock right now. I think I'm gonna plant some tomatoes. I got marigolds here. San Marzano tomatoes is what I want to plant today. Maybe throw some peppers in. My jalapeno peppers I grew myself. Looking so drippy because I overwatered them. A little bit overwatered. Don't manage once I get them in the ground. And all my bought varieties: Caribbean hot, ancho hot, red cherry, Italian roaster, Aruba, long red slim, and habanero. These are both the hot ones. Caribbean hot and habanero, they're short ones. And that's what I got for plants I'm putting in. That's what they look like now. Roads look so nice. I'm actually excited to plant this right now. I took care of this all today. Got it all raked out. All the big clumps knocked off the sides. All the clumps knocked down. Nice flat surface to plant on. I'm thinking with these, I think I'm gonna do tomatoes because they get the tallest. Peppers, potato. That's what I'm thinking right now. I really don't have a plan yet. I'm just gonna start planting stuff. There's our other tomatoes in. Put in. I think they've been in for 3 days now. I planted them 3 days ago. They're looking really droopy. I think I actually shouldn't have hit them with water today. I gave them a little bit of water because it's really hot, but it looks like they might have not liked the water too much. A couple of marigolds on the end of the row. These are cherry tomatoes down here. And these are Italians. A couple of marigolds. And pretty sure these are farm stand. Yeah. Okay. It's almost 8 o'clock now. Finally got everything where I want it laid out. I always like to lay it out first so I know what I'm doing. Got my habaneros up here because they stay shorter. My taller varieties, the chilies and cayennes, are down here because they'll get taller. And the short ones will stay up here because my sun comes from there. So I want the sun to be able to penetrate the taller plants in the back, keep the short ones up front. Oh, I might as well show these so in the future I know what I got where. Even though I'm going to mark them, I might forget. Habanero there. Caribbean red hot, starting from the top going down. Ancho. Long red slim. Italian roasters. And hot red cherries. That's just what I'm doing for peppers here. I marked up a stick ahead of time so I know my spacing. I'm gonna try a 10-inch spacing on these, I think. I heard anywhere from 9 to 12 to 18 on peppers, but I find it always better to keep them closer. 10 is a little close. I actually don't really like that now. I wish I did like 14 even. I don't know if I like that now that I marked it out. Those plants are going to be way too close. That might be good for the habaneros that stay smaller, but all these other varieties, I think I'm going to have to do a different spacing on those. Over here I'm putting all my San Marzano tomatoes. My dog's barking up there. He shouldn't be barking, nobody's home. San Marzano that I grew from seed. San Marzano is the actual name of them. Looking nice and healthy. Throw those in over here. I got 10 plants here, I think. And then these are my jalapenos I grew from seed. Oh, wow. Yep. That was 2 months and 20 days ago. Yeah, I kind of wanted to show this a little bit. Oh. Got my plants going. This could be like a little preview thing. I haven't actually filmed anything for these yet this year because I just been lazy with all my planting stuff and haven't really. Last year I filmed a bunch, didn't even edit it, so this year I'm just not even bothered filming it. But here's like a little sneak peek of what I got going on for this year's garden. Maybe I'll do some garden videos this year. Got cherry tomatoes, heirloom Italian tomatoes from my grandfather that he passed on to us. Jalapeno peppers, farm stand, San Marzo, tomatoes, cabbage, and down here is the broccoli. That's broccoli. That's gonna be cabbage. Yeah, everything's doing good. Got some onions over here, just kind of chilling. Not really looking too healthy. The tops are kind of getting all burnt out. I don't know what's going on with them. Probably too wet. But got some plants going. That's always fun. Love doing my plants over here. Dogs are going crazy over there. I don't know what that is. Yeah, 2 months and 20 days ago is when I planted these from seed. Looking pretty nice. Throwing those jalapenos. I got 10 of them, and I'm probably gonna need like another 4, maybe 6 more to finish the end of the row there. And then I threw my pack of sweet peppers over here. I wanted to keep them isolated from the hots just so they don't pick up a hotness to them or something. I don't know. I never really grow these. I just figured a lot of my family doesn't really like hot peppers. Maybe these ones will do nice. Aruba sweet pepper. Looks like a banana pepper or something. Yeah, I'd rather grow the smaller varieties because they produce a lot more. I hate growing bell peppers because you get like 3 or 4 nice ones and then the rest are all small. It's just you don't have a long enough growing season up here to get good bell pepper production. But the hot peppers, for some reason, they seem to grow really well up here, especially the chilies and the cayennes. I had really good success with them last year in the open. They turned out good again this year. Plants are a little sickly looking. I bought my plants that I grew are way healthier looking, but I gotta buy these ones because I can't grow 17 different varieties in the bulk I do. Okay, I'm gonna remark my stick and then start throwing in plants. That's my plan. Show you when all the plants are in, I guess. I'll be back or something. Bye. The last couple are gonna be close together. That's fine. That's fine. Mosquitoes are starting to get me. Oh. I'm tired. Right on the end of the row there. That's fine. Work smooth it all out so it gets good water flow. Here we go. Got my peppers planted. E15. That row only took me 15 minutes to plant once I had it laid out. So this one shouldn't be bad too either. Tomatoes, a couple more peppers. I'll probably put some marigolds in too. I like marigolds at the end of the rows like this. They grow into big marigold bushes by the end of the year. Tons of blooms on them. Good attractor for bees, natural pollinator. I'm pretty sure it's a natural deterrent for the hornworms too. Just loosen the roots, pop it out. Nice roots on those. Pretty good. I would have liked to see them a little bit thicker, but I'd rather get them in the ground so they can start spreading out. Just kind of crunch a hole, shove them down in there, bury them up. So easy. I always press them down a little bit too to make sure the ground is solid around them. Moving the camera too much. Push it down, make sure the stem is solid, and then I just run my hands around it, kind of make like a little bit of a ring so the water catches around the plant. That's pretty much it. A little ring around. got those 10 in. Now I get to go work on peppers. I'm probably just gonna hit these with a little touch of water. Yeah, starting to look like a full garden now. Got all those rows done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows there done. And almost got one of these rows done. Keep working. Bye. I gotta show the roots on one of my jalapenos I did. Grew these right from seed this year. The roots on them are crazy. This one's already even got a bloom on it. And I've had to, these are so root bound. I have to give them a shake to get them out. This one isn't as good. I had some other ones that were just loaded full of roots. But a little bit of overwatering on them. It's because they've been drying out so much recently. I've been hitting them with a lot more water. A little bit overwatering, but now that I'm getting them in the ground, they'll be good to go. And the peppers I never put too deep, because they don't do any side roots like the tomatoes do. Tomatoes you can bury like 6 inches. These ones go right up to the bottom leaves. Okay, got all my jalapenos planted now. All I got left is those sweet peppers. And then I think I'm gonna go plant a row in the pumpkin patch too. Oh, I'm running out of daylight. This is rough. Forgot to show the final touch. Probably can't even see it anymore. Final touch is marigolds in between. I got marigolds in between my peppers and tomatoes here. And I always put marigolds at the end of the rows. These are the short variety. They stay short, little dwarf bush thing. And I just have them at the end of all the rows. Got everything lightly watered in. I think I'm done. Finally done down here. 8:40. Oh. I still wanted to plant. I wanted to plant some in the pumpkin patch back there, but it's not gonna happen tonight. There's no way I'm gonna be able to leave and see what I'm doing. I mean, maybe I can get one row in by the moonlight. Might try it. That's it, I'm done. Bye.